Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I told you about alter table, add column, add table and rename column, rename table. So today's topic is truncating a table. Okay, truncate table statement remove all rows from a table. It will release the storage space used by that table, and you cannot roll back row removal when using truncate. So if you want to delete any table permanently, then only use this. Okay, so syntax is truncate table, table name, and example is truncate table student. So let's check it with the example. So first of all, let's see the structure of the table. Select asterisk from holiday. This is our table name. Okay, so this is the structure of the table. Truncate table, table name, which is holiday. Okay, so it will delete the structure of the table. Okay, query. Okay, so let's check it. Empty set, because it will delete the table structure permanently. Okay, so next, drop and truncate difference. Drop command is used to remove table definition and its contents, whereas the truncate command is used to delete all the rows from the table. Okay, drop command table space is freed from memory, while the truncate command does not free the table space from the memory. Okay, drop is a DDL, data definition language command, whereas a truncate is also DDL. In drop command, view of table does not exist, while in this command view of table exists in truncate. Okay, so just note it down. See the difference of delete and truncate. In delete, data can be recovered. In truncate, data cannot be recovered. So in delete, this is a data manipulation language and this is data definition language. Okay, note it down. Okay, so let's see what's next. In this lesson, you should have learned how to use DDL statement to create, alter, drop and rename table. So note it down, create table, alter table, drop table, like this. Okay, just note it. Update command. It is used to modify existing data in the table. It can be used to update a single field or multiple field at same time. You can specify any condition using the where clause. So let's see the syntax of it. Okay, update table name, set column name 1 is equal to value, column name 2 is equal to value, where condition. So without where condition, all the rows get updated. So note it down, this is the important topic. Depending upon the where condition, selected rows get updated. So let's check it with the example. So first of all, see the structure of the table. If you don't know how to use select statement, so you can check in my description below. I will add that video link in description. Okay, so update customers, set column name, which is age, and value is 11. Let's suppose condition is id, where id is equal to 5. So it will update 11 at id number 5 in each column. So query. Okay, one row affected. So let's see it's updated or not. So it's updated 11 here at id number 5. Okay, because we are using here where condition. So let's remove where condition. Let's see what's happening here without where. So let's see. Query. Okay, 8 rows affected. It means it updated all the rows of each column. Okay, it set the 11 to all the rows in age. So if you want to select on particular rows, so please use where condition. Got it? So next, see the show column. Okay, how to display or list column in existing table. There are two ways of displaying the column information: show column and describe statement. So let's see. Show column, table name, which is customers. Okay, so it will show all the fields, type, key, like this: id, name, address, age. Okay, note it down. So let's talk about MySQL operators. So what are the MySQL operators? First, arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, comparison operator, compound operator. So these are the operators. So let's talk about definition. An operator is a character that represents an action. Okay, in computer programs, one of the most familiar sets of operation, the Boolean operator, is used to work with the true and false values like this. So these are the operators. Logical operator. In this logical operator, we have to use and, or, XOR, like this. In arithmetic operators, we have to use addition, subtraction, modulo, like this. In relational operators, we have to use equal to, greater than, less than, equal to. In assignment operator we have to use equal to in bitwise operator like this. In a special character we have to use is in, like, between, like this. So just note it down. So let's check it with the first operator, which is arithmetic operator. Okay, let's talk about arithmetic operator. Create impression with number and date data by using arithmetic operators. So these are the operator. This is the description: add, subtract, multiply, divide, modulo. So let's see how it's working. So a plus b will give you 30, and a minus b will give you 10, and a into b will give you 200, like this. Okay, and b divided by a will give you 2, and b modulo a will give you 0, like this. Okay, let's check it with the example. Okay, first, addition. It is used to perform addition operator on the operation on the data items. So let's check it with the example. Okay, first see the structure of the table. Select asterisk from, let's suppose, employees. Okay, so this is employees structure. So select employee ID, first name, and annual salary. Let's suppose we have to perform addition operator on annual salary. So just add plus 10 in annual salary. So we can write annual salary plus 10. So it will add 10 in annual salary. Okay, as we are using here as is alias, I will add video of that link in description below. You can check it there. Okay, so annual salary plus 10. It will show another new column name from employees. Okay, so this is the added one, and this is the actual one. You can see the difference. It's added plus 10 in each annual salary. Okay, so you can add 100, whatever you want. So our next topic is subtraction, multiplication, and many more operators. Thank you for watching.